Light them up. 32 counts, 2 walls, improver level. 1 tag, happen twice. Weight on the left. Section 1. Point across, point side. Right sailor, behind side, side. 2 toe strut, left cross strut, side strut. Section 2. Cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Side together, quarter, now facing 9. 2 triple step. Forward, together, together. Forward, together, together. Count section 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3. Right foot, cross rock, recover. 2 back touches. Back right, touch left. Back left, touch right. Back together. Section 4. Shuffle forward. Step together, step. Step, quarter, facing 12. Left, cross, shuffle. 2 quarter turn. Quarter back, quarter side, facing 6. And start again. Count section 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Tag 8 counts after wall 2, facing 12, and after wall 5, facing 6. Tag, right toe across, heel down. Touch back, heel down. Toe side, heel down. Toe side left, heel down. Count for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and start again. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Back wall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. After wall 2, tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you will do wall 3, wall 4, wall 5. At the end of wall 5, tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then dance all the way.